Before buying a phone mount for your Nissan Rogue, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Keistel Magnetic Car Mount. Let's kick things off with the Keistel for MagSafe Car Mount. I was drawn in by its sleek design and a wallet-friendly price of just $9.98. If you want a reliable and stylish way to keep your phone secure, this is worth a serious look. The Keistel mount is designed specifically for MagSafe cases, which means it grabs onto your iPhone 12 and up with powerful magnets. This is crucial because when you're driving, you don't want your phone bouncing around. Plus, it has a super strong adhesive that sticks to your dashboard, so you won't have to worry about it falling off during sharp turns or sudden stops. With over 28,700 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its stability. Now, some people complained about the adhesive losing its stickiness over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the installation instructions and keep the surface clean, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for anyone who values both style and functionality. This is perfect for you if you love a clean, minimalist look in your car and want something that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you have a non-MagSafe phone since it relies heavily on that magnetic feature. Honestly, for just under $10, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if the Keistel's reliance on MagSafe compatibility bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ANDERY Magnetic Phone Holder. Next up is the ANDERY Car Phone Holder for MagSafe, priced at $25.59. This caught my eye with its promise of an incredibly strong hold and premium design. If you're looking for something that combines durability with versatility, check this one out. It can hold up to a whopping 78 pounds, meaning it will easily support your phone even when going over bumpy roads. The 360-degree rotation is a game changer, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape views seamlessly. With 20,500 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that people trust this mount. However, a few users mentioned that it can be tricky to detach from the dashboard without a bit of effort. But here's the thing, that's a small price to pay for the security and stability it offers. If you're someone who frequently uses GPS or needs to switch orientations often, this mount is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you want a secure mount that offers flexibility for different phone sizes and orientations. Skip this one if you prefer something less permanent, as the suction can be a little too strong for some. Honestly, for its price, you're getting top-tier performance here. Now, if the strong grip of the ANDERY mount isn't what you're looking for, let's move on to something a bit more versatile. Product number 3, Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder. The Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder is next on the list, available for just $9.99. This one really stood out with its universal fit and budget-friendly price. If you want something that's adaptable for any situation, this is definitely worth considering. This mount features a double-lock suction cup that guarantees it'll stay put on your dashboard, even in extreme heat. It adjusts from 3.7 to 5.9 inches, giving you maximum flexibility in positioning your phone. The 360-degree rotating ball joint means you can position your phone exactly how you like it. With over 18,200 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, a lot of people have found it reliable. Now, some customers have pointed out that it doesn't always fit well on certain dashboard types. If you need a mount that's easy to install and adjust, this might be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you want a low-cost solution that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you have a very textured dashboard that might interfere with the suction. For under $10, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the Kifitan's installation issues are a concern, let's look at something that focuses on stability. Product number 4, Miracase Phone Holder. Next on our list is the Miracase Phone Holder, priced at $12.34. What caught my attention here was its unique metal hook design, which promises not to fall off. If you're looking for something ultra-reliable, this could be the one for you. This mount boasts a military-grade metal hook that clips onto your air vent, ensuring it stays in place under all conditions. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphone sizes, from 4 to 7.2 inches, and offers a quick-release button for easy access. With an impressive rating of 4.4 stars from over 42,100 reviews, it has definitely made a name for itself. However, a few users have mentioned that it might not fit well on round vents. Here's the thing though, if you have standard horizontal or vertical vents, this holder will give you a solid grip. If you prioritize stability and ease of access, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free installation and strong grip on your phone. Skip this one if you have round vents, as it may not be compatible. For the price, it's a fantastic value for a reliable mount. Now, if you're worried about the vent compatibility of the mirror case, let's check out a model that focuses on multifunctionality. Product number 5, VANMASS Car Dashboard Holder. Last but not least is the VANMASS Car Dashboard Phone Holder, available for $24.97. This mount really impressed me with its military-grade certification and innovative design. If you need something that can handle a bit more punishment, this is worth your attention. It's designed to fit 99% of phones and can rotate 360 degrees for optimal viewing angles. The standout feature is its patented shockproof tech, which gives you peace of mind on rough roads. With over 48,700 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clearly a favorite. However, some users noted that it may not adhere well to all types of leather dashboards. If you're after a versatile and sturdy option, this is definitely worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you need a mount that's both durable and functional for a variety of environments. Skip this one if you have a leather dashboard that might not hold the suction. For just under $25, it's a solid investment for long-term use. So to wrap it all up, the Keistell mount is perfect for MagSafe users on a budget. The ANDRY offers a strong hold for those who need durability. The Kifatan is a versatile option for different mounting surfaces. The mirror case is a reliable choice for traditional vents, and the VANMASS provides top-tier performance for those needing extra stability. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs and pick the one that fits you best.